tram route. There's no need for your safety protective glasses just yet. Oh, these are some cool cars. I've never seen a tow truck like that before. Oh, and up here that looks like an assault vehicle. Oh. Wait a minute. Woo. Did you guys hear that? Sounds like there's a party going on somewhere.
Un'officina.
Alright, I got it. Listen, hello, beautiful people.
È l'officina di Fast and Furious.
How you doing? You good? My name is Roman Pierce. Pleased to meet you. My buddy Hobbs asked us to stash you in Shaw for a while. So we brought you in our secret spot. We're having a few friends over. It's a little messy, but it's all good. The more the merrier. Especially you right there in that third row. You know what I'm saying?
Alright, looks like we're going in. Whoa, you guys are not gonna believe this. This is one hot party! Dance, let's dance a little bit, yeah.
Everybody out! This is the FBI! Turn the music off!
This is what we're doing. This is the race day after party. And where the other girls?
Roman Pierce, FBI, on the ground.
Him?
On the ground, do it now.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not.
On the ground, right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. I got it. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Cop, I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours.
Hobbs, escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
You got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of this.
You see what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Man.
It was on vibrate.
Shaw traced us. Hobbs can't hold him forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle.
Okay, moving right now.
It's about to get real interesting. My Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door.
Roman, grab your truck. I need you and Letty ready to roll.
Okay, guys, you're gonna want to put on your safety protective glasses now. Remember, no cameras or cell phones. Anything can give us away. It's not looking good out there.
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or you all get fried!
This is our turn.
After them!
Okay, guys, truck now.
I got the bull by the horn! Give me the witness to run over the phone. I've got company!
Sbagliato!
How about you, you asshole? Don't think you're getting away!
Way to go, Letty. Don't run it under missile shot. Not gonna happen.
Woo!
traction! Everybody hold on!
Woo!